So, you have to read an academic article for class. You might be feeling overwhelmed, especially if you aren't familiar with what they are and how to read them. Watch this video to learn in under 2 minutes how to read an academic article. First, what exactly is an academic article? It's a document written by experts in a field and typically published in scholarly journals. Their purpose is to add new information and perspectives to academic conversations. They can also be called scholarly or peer-reviewed articles. This means that other experts have evaluated it before it was published. Here's an example. Articles can vary, but typically they will include information about the journal, the article title and author information, an abstract that gives a summary of the article, an introduction which gives background information and presents the main research questions. Further along in the paper is the method section, which explains how the research was conducted. Next is the results section, which presents the data, sometimes with graphs and other visuals. The discussion section gives the author's interpretation of the data and what they contribute to the field. Here, the results and discussion sections are combined. At the end of the paper is the conclusion, which gives a recap and presents future directions and limitations of the research. And lastly, a references section, which might also be called works cited or bibliography. How do we read an academic article? Start with the abstract. Look for keywords and assess the article's usefulness to your work. Next, move to the discussion and conclusion to further assess the article. Then, read the rest of the article more closely if it's useful for your work. Use headings and subheadings to help guide you. Use the reference section to find more potential sources. Here are a few tips. It's okay to skim when assessing the article's usefulness and keywords. It's okay if you don't understand all the statistics and data. The discussion and conclusion sections will help tie things together. You might need to read it more than once to gain a deeper understanding. You've got this. And that's how to read an academic article. We hope you now have more confidence in doing so. Feel free to contact us with any questions. Take care.